What's up, Collins crew? You see us. There's Micah, Macy, and the hubby. Whoops, I'm pointing the wrong way. Hubby. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hubby right there. We are getting ready to head out on
a cruise.
Vacation. Where are we going, son?
Cruise ship.
Cruise ship. Now, this is our first time ever sailing on Royal Caribbean. So, we are going to see what it's like. That one right there is going to work. As always, she makes her quick appearances. And she refuses to leave our cat at home.
Yeah.
So, she is staying here with the cat. And I guess, whatever. She's 21. Do you, boo? Anything about the cruise? Thoughts about the cruise?
Gonna have
I
fun.
think it's gonna be fun.
Fun?
Yeah, we're gonna have fun.
It's gonna be,
Are you nervous about switching cruise lines? Because we've only cruised on Carnival before. So we are trying out Royal Caribbean. So we'll see if we end up liking it or if we don't. Any thoughts about Carnival versus Royal?
Carnival was good.
Yeah, Carnival's really good. Carnival's really good. What do you think this is going to be like at Royal?
I'm saying Royal is way bigger than Carnival.
From the videos you've watched so far?
Yeah, well, Royal is way bigger than Carnival, so I expect there to be more activities.
So you'll get to see our first reactions once we jump on the boat, or excuse me, on the ship on day one. Let's see if we can get the others. Let's see if we can get the others' reactions to what they think are going to be the difference between Royal and Carnival. All right, what about you, kid? What are you thinking? Excited? Dad?
I'm broke when I'm on it, so I'm just gonna go have fun for the rest of my money.
Bye, Sunflower. We love you.
All right. And
Love you.
this one's telling the cat goodbye. There's
Bye forever.
there's our kitty
Goodbye.
as we get ready to head out. I think she knew something weird was going on because when we were packing the other day, she kept trying to lay in our suitcases. So I don't think she's too happy about us leaving. But Kayla will be here to take care of her because she's a dedicated cat mom. All right, next stop. Next stop is where, Macy?
Della.
Huh? Next stop is where?
The port. The port.
The port. We're out of here. Alright guys, we're getting close to the port. What are your thoughts?
Fun. It's really pretty here.
Where are we?
We are in Galveston.
We're in Galveston. You think it looks pretty?
Yeah, Galveston is giving Little Mermaid vibes.
Oh yeah.
The palm trees and the birds remind me of Scuttle and the palm trees at the beach.
Nice. Alright, next stop. Parking at the port. Ready?
Yeah. Birds.
Alright y'all. We're here. We're at the port.
Yeah.
And we have parked, and we're at Pier 14 parking. It is part of the Royal Caribbean parking lot. So we park right here, and then if you take a look back there, that's our ship and the cruise port. We'll give you a tour of what that port looks inside. You guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah.
You?
Yeah.
Well, we're headed into the port, or into the cruise terminal. And this terminal is a lot nicer than the Carnival terminal we were in last time. Much nicer, nicer. but it is extremely crowded in here.
It's cold.
It's what? Looks like it's going to be a crowded cruise today. Let's figure out where we need to go and get checked in. Ready?
Yep. We're about to board.
Where are we?
We're in the port and we're about to go on the cruise ship.
So this port, like you can see, is a lot nicer. This port is a lot nicer. I'm gonna do a pan around here for you guys so you can kind of see the port. What do you think of this port in comparison?
Pretty good.
Comparison to Carnival.
Carnival don't have a port, so it's better.
Carnival's port is basically, looks like you're in a warehouse. So this to anyone looks so much nicer than the Carnival port. Here's your pan around. They're excited. Hey guys, go look at the big silver things over there. Oh, they're gonna take a picture of you. Go run, take a picture. Take a photo. Nice. All right, Michael, we're right outside of the ship. There comes Macy through.
Show them.
So we're on the other side, and we're getting ready to get on board the ship. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Steam.
Huh?
The steam at the top.
The
big
steam?
smoke.
Wait, you getting on the shot. What?
It's smoking up there
It's smoking up there.
on the top of the ship.
Yeah, you super excited?
Yeah.
Get the what?
Pull it up and my mom said, let's go swimming.
Yeah, let's go. Hey, cruise ship, cruise ship, cruise ship, cruise ship. First activity on board ship. Let's go.
160 so far.
100 to 60. What'd you get, 50? Another 100? Dang. 200 to 60? He just throws them at my feet. We're right here, right next to the Aqua Theater. And Dad and Macy are chilling. What's your name, sir?
My name is Sadiq.
Sadiq. We have a YouTube channel. You're going to be on it, sir.
Oh my goodness.
First drink.
Gonna be famous?
I don't know if you're going to be famous, but you'll be on there.
The best gin for the gentleman, yeah?
Best gin for the gentleman. Okay. First drink of the cruise.
And then we're gonna have some tonic for him.
Nice. Creative.
Does they have a swimming pool on this ship?
2 minutes.
All right. Enjoy. God
You
bless.
too, sir. Maybe that's a building shit. I think that's a building shit.
Takes just a bad number.
Bad luck for some people. It's not just a secret for
So you'll see in the elevator that they tell you what day of the week it is because you kind of get discombobulated. The entire screen is touch screen, which is great. And now we're headed to the room, and now we're headed down the long corridor. All right, Collins crew, we're in room 14706 with a balcony. And when we enter the room, this is what it looks like. See the hubs over there? There is a small shelf here that you can put. And we'll show you some of the things we packed that were cruise essentials that they suggested. There's a nice little piece of art on the wall here. And then before I go too far into the room, I'm used to in Carnival the closet being right here. But you could see that the entryway is a little bit smaller in Royal's rooms. So the closet is not here, but we'll get to where the closet is. So this is the door we just came in. This other door, you have your air conditioning unit right here. And I will say the air conditioning here is extremely cold. All your light switches are here. And then when you open this door, you have the bathroom. Please ignore how I look, because I look a hot mess. The shower is kind of unique and weird, because it's like a little porthole situation. Not the biggest shower, but you know, it's functional. It does the job. It gets the things done. It makes sure you can scrub a dub and you don't have any icky grubs. And then be careful when you are getting in, because it is a step up into it. And then you have your toilet. Nothing magical here. A little bit of shelf space here. I'm not sure what those are. Looks like a little bit of a plug there. Small just opening here that you can put stuff in. And then you have a small sink. Again, functional, just does the job. And then there is a rod here in case you want to shave your legs, so if you needed to. They got that taken care of. And if you forgot your body wash and your shampoo, that's provided for you in there. Then we're going to step back out. Don't forget to step down. There's a full-length mirror in the room. Right here next to all your light switches. And then you have a pretty decent sized bed. I will say I have already done the bed test. It is not super comfy in a standard balcony cabin, but it'll do the job again. All right, so remember I said the closet was moved. It is here. It's on this wall. And there's a small safe in here for you to put your items. If you do like me, I brought my fake wedding ring instead of my real one. So that way, even if it got taken, it doesn't matter. I can just go back to Amazon and get another fake one. I didn't want to bring my real one because I'd be mad if somebody took my actual wedding ring. But the closet's there. It's got some shelves. And then, of course, it's got its hanging space as well. And then above the bed, you have this little bit of artwork here. And then you have a phone next to the bed, and it's small end tables, but again, you have light switches here to turn lights on and off. Then you have some more art here. This couch is a pull-out couch that you can sleep on, so the kids will sleep here. And then you have a desk area. We did not bring the laptop because we will edit everything when we get home. But there's a nice little desk area, and then if you open up this cabinet, there is a small fridge that you can use. Now, we did get these cups because we got the ultimate drink package, so all of our alcohol is included, all sodas, coffees, specialty drinks, smoothies, anything like that we paid for so that we can get those at unlimited rates. So we gave the kids the cups so that they could refill that at the sodas and smoothies and whatever as much as they want to. And then if you notice, Dad has his first beverage in his hand and my first beverage is right there. Then where the hubs is looking out, we have our balcony. And on the balcony you have 2 chairs. I'm not going to open the door because it's pretty hot out there. You have 2 chairs and a table. It's not too big, but it's large enough to relax and hang out. And it is child safe locked to where you have to undo the locks when you go out there. And we are again on the 14th floor. And right now we are port side. So this large building that you're staring at is the actual Royal Caribbean port. And we are aft. So that means we're toward the back of the ship. And we'll see you guys